Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the functional group. The structure contains AC is equal to O group connected to an NH, making it an amide, CONG. This means we name it as an amide with an N substituent prefix. Moving on to the next step. Identify the acyl, acid-derived, portion. On the carbonyl side, we count the longest chain including the carbonyl carbon, C is equal to O, CH2, CH, Br, CH, Br, CH3. This is a 5-carbon chain, pentanol, so the parent acid is pentanoic acid, giving the base name pentanamide. Moving on to the next step. Number the acyl chain. C1 is the carbonyl carbon. Going along the chain, C1 is equal to O, C2, H2, C3, Br, H, C4, Br, H, C5, H3. Bromine substituents are at C3 and C4 giving 3,4-dibromopentanamide. And for the final step, identify the N substituent. On the nitrogen side, NH, CH2, CH2, CH, Br, CH2, Br. This is a 4-carbon group, butyl, with bromo substituents. Counting from the nitrogen attachment, C1, H2, C2, H2, C3, Br, H, C4, H2, Br. Bromine substituents are at C3 and C4 giving 3,4-dibromobutyl. Combine. The N substituent is named with the N prefix N3,4-dibromobutyl. The full IUPAC name is 3,4-dibromo N3,4-dibromobutyl pentanamide. Therefore, the correct answer is 3,4-dibromo N3,4-dibromobutyl pentanamide. The correct answer is shown on screen.